What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video of T-List Content Adventures. Here we are with my new White Knuckle Rock Sliders. Look at these things. Oh man, the quality and build of these are just ridiculous. I did go with the rear diamond cut plate, which is right here. Comes with all the hardware on how to install it. Look at these welds, people. Sorry for the nighttime, but just drove to pick them up. Look at these welds. Oh, man. I am just so impressed with these rock sliders. They're heavy, super heavy. Probably close to, I don't know, 100 pounds, maybe a little less on each side. This is the straight angle too. I got it for my kids to get up easy. What I'm going to use to paint them, I want them black, so I'm going to use truck bed coating. Gets a little thick coating too, and impact resistant. So I'm going to spray them, and yeah, we'll let them dry, do a couple coats. Oh man, I'm sorry, I'm just pretty shocked for how the quality, look at this. The quality and everything is just top tier. Yeah. So we'll spray them, show you after. Alright guys, so here's all the hardware for the rock sliders from White Knuckle. You got all your washers, your nuts, and the locking washers. Detailed instructions on this, and your U-bolts to hold the wire sliders in place against the frame. Got some stickers as well in here. And for your mounting plates, if you did get the optional diamond plates in the rear. So basically all you're doing is setting up your sliders against the frame rail. Try to show you inside against there. I just have it on jack stand, kind of where I wanted it. I wanted this rear one to be kind of a little flush with your frame. I might push it a little more just to kind of get an exact measurement on it. And also here's the paint on it. You can see it turned out a little white for some reason. I'm not sure why, but slider looks good. So just supporting it with jack and a jack stand. And then I'll bolt it on with the U-bolts, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay everyone, here they are, all done and completed, installed. There's the rear diamond plate with the bolts. I did spray a little more on there, but look at real quick the install. So basically here you go, just got some easy peasy. I had to bend the brake lines a little in the rear. Not bad though at all. And then there's the bolts. Has some logging washers on them. Man, these things are sick. Kids are gonna be easy out, and just now I got protection for the rig. So again, there they are, guys. White Knuckle Rock Sliders. Excuse the paint because it's I did spray some more. I'm gonna respray it again. I just used the truck bed liner as you saw. But yeah, got them on, officially on for my 100 series. Super pumped and love it. It's coming a long way. Please like, subscribe for more videos, guys. Thank you.